Note 20 Ultra just a phone? It is the most advanced digital notebook, a powerful 50x zoom camera, a gaming console, as well as a desktop PC, all rolled into one majestic body. But is this phone really worth the title of most feature-packed smartphone of 2020? Let's find out. If you want to compare designs, Samsung really knows how to make their hardware stand out. Even iPhone had to revive designs from iPad Pro, as well as iPhone 4 and 5 in their late. In short, the Note 20 Ultra makes the iPhone 12 look pretty boring. Combined with squared-off edges and fingerprint-resistant body, this phone is without a doubt Samsung's most sophisticated smartphone that gives the user a corner office vibe. The Note 20 Ultra, combined with a sharp 120-megapixel camera, boasts a massive 6.9-inch display with a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling on this screen feels as if you are running your finger through butter. This also makes this device super responsive while gaming, which ensures you don't miss and automatically shifts the refresh rate, saving on battery life and giving you more time for fun. The Note 20 Ultra screen produces 121.5% of mode, while the iPhone Pro Max produces 118.6%. Some might say that the 108-megapixel camera is an overkill, but it really comes in handy when you have to stand far away from the objects or want to crop images without sacrificing picture quality. It's similar like using a real pen and paper. The new S Pen is also so smart that it automatically straightens out off-kilter writing and transforms hastily written notes into buttoned-up text. Samsung has also added some neat little tricks to its Air action that you can perform with the S Pen. Equipped with 10x optical zoom, the Note 20 Ultra absolutely smashes the iPhone when it comes to zoom capability, as the Note 20 Ultra takes absolutely stunning and detailed photographs. This phone also comes loaded with the highest resolution video recording capability a smartphone can offer. Smooth action in 120fps, as well as isolate voices with a Bluetooth microphone. Once you're done recording, you can even use the Pro-grade controllers to add finishing touches, and this phone is exactly what you are looking for. If you choose to avail the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you will gain accessibility to your favorite Xbox games with the option to add on controllers for a seamless gaming experience. Apple might have introduced 5G in the iPhone 12 series, but Samsung had done it a lot earlier when they launched Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G a year ago. Note 20 Ultra is one of the fastest Android phones around, as it is one of the first handsets with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. This chipset boosts the clock or 512GB of internal storage, which makes it an absolute beast of a phone. Multitaskers will also appreciate the improved DeX experience, which is now completely wireless, instead of requiring you to use a cable or dock to connect to a monitor. Now you can beam what's on your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra screen to a compatible smart TV from across the room. Last but not least, you can mirror the Galaxy Note 20's interface directly on your Windows laptop and run apps from there. By now you're probably wondering about the battery life of this action-packed phone. How much juice can it store, and how efficiently can it dissipate to sub workday and then dive into late-night gaming sessions, all on a single charge? After considering all the aspects that this phenomenal device has to offer, we can genuinely conclude that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the pinnacle of smartphones. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is geared towards power users who are looking for a productivity boost, and this phone offers a couple of big upgrades on that front. If you're the type of power user who can appreciate all this device has to offer, then this phone is definitely worth the price, as it is the perfect smartphone of 2020.